Hello everyone, Ruben here from PAS Professional Amazon Services, and for today's video I decided to share one of our internal processes that we use, and it is related to the returns rate and the methods we use. One of the methods that we use to understand the core return reasons and being able to take actionable items, how to fix it. If you're a brand owner, I think it'll be interesting view to how to tackle some of the core issues of the product, if there is one. And if you're an agency or service provider, I think it's a great way to suggest to the partner to look at it from a different point of view. And returns is always a big topic, especially when you're checking at a P&L. That always comes up. And depending, what category you are, electronics is big, clothing's even bigger. So being able to incrementally improve and lower the returns rate, there's areas that you can fix. I believe it's super important. As always, leave the comments below. If you find it useful, what your thoughts are in general. I'll be always happy to engage into the conversation and share thoughts. And when we're talking about that, you may think, hey, Ruben, the voice of customer, it's a great place. And yes, voice of customer is one of the greatest places to kind of see overall feedback, but it will not give you detailed information where you can take actions from a manufacturer level. And yes, that's kind of where this thing go. And for that, we need the FBA returns report. I think that's the best place to start with. And here on this next slide, I have the returns report, and for this case study purpose, I have a year-over-year 2023-2024. We pulled out the most important reasons that it was returned and measuring the numbers, and we can see here apparel too large, apparel too small. We have a incremental increase in 2024, and from too large and too small. And how to take action. So for example, on these two line items, it will go back to your detail page, understanding, am I doing a good job of expressing the true size of a product? Does my images do the good job? Do I have a video, maybe an indication to compare something else to make sure that the buyer gets exact sizing that is needed? So that's how you test it, and you can see if you're up or down, or quarter basis, however you want, a half year basis, or at a year or a year case. Defective, missing parts, those are other areas that you can be more effective fixing. For example, on this brand, if I'm not mistaken, we were able to bring it down significantly by communicating with the manufacturer and being able to fix specific issue that we've seen a challenge among the buyers. So all these great areas are giving you indication what are the most reason customers are returning your goods back, and if there's something you can do to improve it. I just thought it was an interesting way to attack the challenge that I'm sure every Amazon seller has, and hopefully been able to take actions among them, because there's some of them there's not really much you can do. For example, estimated delivery, there's not much you can do about that. This is, very much Amazon related. Found a better price is another one that you can measure what your competitors doing and maybe adjust some discounts to, to decrease that. But I believe this is very detailed to what the voice of customer is, and this is allow us to measure a progress or digress on a year-over-year basis. And again, I welcome every feedback or comment on this. Let me know what your thoughts are. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and see you soon. Take care.